So all the edges are done on top. Could plug the holes a little later. But for now, they're fine. So next we're going to flip it down on its face. Got some oak, some hard maple, and more oak, and then some soft maple. We have some maple, some cherry, looks like some oak, cherry, and red oak. I thought I had some white ash in here, but I don't think this is, no, this looks like an oak. Yeah, I do have some white ash here, right there in the center. Okay, it's looking great. Well, we're going to call it a day, and we'll resume the project tomorrow.